Are you wondering what's happening in the Rio Rancho real estate market? Whether you're an investor looking for your next big opportunity, a luxury buyer seeking the perfect property, or a homeowner wondering if now is the right time to sell, today's update is for you. The Rio Rancho market is shifting, and understanding these changes can make all the difference in your real estate journey. I'm here to break it all down and guide you through what these trends mean for you, so you can make confident and informed decisions. Welcome back to my channel and podcast. My name is 𝗿𝗂𝗏𝒂, your trusted realtor, and today we are diving into the September 2024 market trends for Rio Rancho, New Mexico. Whether you're watching this on YouTube or tuning in on your favorite podcast platform, this is your go-to source for the latest market data and insights. If you find this information valuable, be sure to hit the subscribe button on YouTube and follow us wherever you get your podcasts. Let's get started. Let's begin with an overview of the current market conditions in Rio Rancho as of September 2024. We're currently in a strong seller's market. This means that there are more buyers looking for homes than there are homes available, creating a highly competitive landscape for buyers. The months of inventory is at 2.4 months, which is up by 22.45% from last month. This metric indicates how long it would take to sell a home currently on the market if no new homes were listed. A balanced market typically has around 5 to 6 months of inventory. So with only 2.4 months, we're still seeing a significant shortage. This often results in quicker sales and higher prices as buyers compete for fewer properties. The list to sold price percentage stands at 99.1%. Meaning homes are selling for nearly their full asking price. This slight increase of 0.07% from last month shows continued strong demand with limited room for buyers to negotiate lower prices. For sellers, this is a fantastic time to list your property. With low inventory, there is less competition, increasing your chances of receiving strong offers. Buyers, on the other hand, need to be prepared to move quickly and make competitive offers to stand out in this competitive market. Next, let's talk about property values and trends. The median estimated property value for single-family homes in Rio Rancho is $321,430, which is up by 0.4% from last month and 1.4% over the past 12 months. The steady increase indicates a stable and healthy market environment. The median price per square foot for a single-family home is $215, which is a slight increase of 0.5% from last month. This figure helps us understand the cost of real estate relative to space and is crucial for comparing different properties. The median living area for these homes is approximately 1,925 square feet, which reflects the typical home size in Rio Rancho. Understanding the average square footage helps buyers gauge what to expect in terms of space for the median price. The consistent rise in value, though moderate, points towards sustainable growth without risk of a bubble. This is particularly appealing for investors who are looking for long-term stability rather than short-term volatility. For investors, properties that fall below the median price per square foot but offer potential for renovation or rental income could provide a great opportunity to capitalize on this steady growth trend. Moving on to new listings. These represent fresh inventory coming onto the market. The median list price for the new single-family homes in Rio Rancho is $391,265, which is up by 4.4% from last month. This rise in list prices shows that sellers are optimistic about current market conditions and expect buyers to meet these higher price points. The number of new properties listed is 288, which has increased by 23.6% from the previous month. This increase provides more options for buyers, which can help ease some of the competition, though the higher prices suggest that sellers are not in a rush to sell. The median price per square foot for new listings is $215, which is consistent with the overall market trend. The median living area for new listings is 1,925 square feet, aligning with the typical home size in Rio Rancho. The total volume of listings stands at around $125 million, reflecting a significant monthly increase of 31%. This data indicates that not only are more homes coming onto the market, but they are also valued higher, which is crucial for both buyers and sellers to consider. Let's shift our focus now to active listings, which represents all homes currently available on the market. The median list price for active single-family homes is around $429,995, which is up by about 1.2% from last month. This increase shows that sellers continue to price their homes to match current demand levels. The number of active properties is 363, which is up by 20.6% from the previous month, which indicates that more homeowners are choosing to sell, possibly to capitalize on the high demand. The median price per square foot for active listings is $221, slightly higher than the overall market trend, suggesting that more premium properties may be hitting the market. The median living area of active listings is 2,029 square feet, slightly larger than the median for new listings, indicating that these homes might offer more space or features. The total volume for active listings is around $171 million, which is up by about 23% from last month. Now let's examine pending listings. These are homes that have received offers and are under contract but have not yet closed. The median list price for pending listings is $359,950. The total volume of pending listings has reached around $61 million. The median days on market for pending listings is around 13 days, highlighting how quickly properties are moving once they hit the market and are priced right. The median living area for pending listings is 1,826 square feet, slightly below the median for new and active listings, which could indicate that smaller or more affordable homes are moving even faster. This data shows a strong competitive market for homes that are priced correctly. Buyers, this is a reminder to come prepared with pre-approvals and solid offers. Sellers, if your home is priced right, you can expect to move to pending status quickly. Moving on to sold listings. These provide us with concrete data on what homes are actually selling for. The median sold price for single-family homes in Rio Rancho is around $365,000, which is a 3.9% increase from the previous month. This closely aligns with list prices that show buyers are meeting sellers' expectations. The average list-to-sale price percentage is high at 99.1%, reinforcing that there is minimal negotiation off the asking price. The median days for sold properties is just 11 days, which is down by 15.4% from last month, highlighting a fast-moving market where well-priced homes are snapped up quickly. The total sold volume is around $62 million, which shows strong buyer activity and confidence in the market. Finally, let's look at the broader market dynamics. The month's supply of inventory is at 2.4 months, which is up by 22.4% from last month, and a substantial 63.3% increase over the last 12 months. This uptick suggests that we are starting to see more inventory come onto the market, but we are still very much in a seller's market territory. The increase in inventory might mean slightly more options for buyers moving forward, but demand remains high, so it's not expected that we'll see a drastic shift away from a seller's market anytime soon. For investors, this trend can present opportunities to find properties that may be more negotiable as inventory grows, especially those that stay on the market a bit longer. Staying informed on these trends will help you make the best decisions whether you're buying, selling, or investing. The key is to act strategically and be prepared. So what does all this mean for you? If you're thinking about selling, now is a fantastic time to capitalize on the market. If you're buying, being prepared with a strong offer strategy is more important than ever. And for investors, these trends show opportunities both in the short and long term. Thanks for joining me on this market update. If you're watching on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe and like and leave a comment below about what you think of these trends. And if you're listening to the podcast, be sure to follow and leave a review. It helps us to reach more people who could benefit from these insights. And remember, if you're looking for more detailed information and you want to discuss potential investments or need some advice, reach out to me directly. I'm here to help you navigate the real estate market with confidence. Until next time, keep investing wisely, stay informed, and take care.